perfectly situated on a corner lot in the sought-after community of Egret Landing. This exceptional home offers a fantastic floor plan including 4 bedrooms plus a spacious loft, 3 full bathrooms, and a screened-in pool and patio. Features include the volume ceilings, eat-in kitchen with gas stove, wood flooring in the family room, roomy master suite with an oversized walk-in closet, energy-efficient gas dryer and hot water heater plus a gas step out under the cover patio for a barbecue grill, fenced yard with refreshed landscaping including new sod.